Tiffany.
Tiffany who?
Tiffany Song. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Go ahead and put your shirt on. You good? 35. That's a 10-4 on that vehicle. It's backed in over here on the front side.
They just park right now when the officer pull up to see that grade, to see where they're coming from.
Where they're coming from or where they're going?
They are parked right here. They saw the police officer, they're parked. We want to see where they're coming from.
Stolen vehicle, right? It's a 10-4 on that vehicle.
The guy, I didn't see him.
She got an all black, the lady?
Yes.
That's her.
Skinny, tall lady.
Yeah, black shirt, black, yeah.
That's her.
Okay.
If you look at her, maybe she's coming to me here.
Yeah, that's her.
Yeah, they are in 143.
Okay. That female, I got her ID where she checked in the room 143. They checked in around 9:30, 9:50. So.
Which one is this?
It's a Santa Fe stolen vehicle, yeah. The female was driving it. I went to the front desk to rewind the cameras, and the female got out. She's the one who checked in the room.
Oh, and dude was
He was in the back seat. He got on orange pants. Yeah. Shannon PD. I hear him not talking. Did you come here by yourself?
Yeah.
You sure? What the guy in the orange pants? That's who's in the car with you, right? No?
Yeah, I'm by myself.
Okay. Where you get this car from?
I'm not in the car. I don't drive. I don't have a license.
You don't have a license?
Yeah, I don't drive.
Okay. So how'd you get here?
I just dropped off the plane.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, it's
Huh?
okay.
Yeah, everything good. And you sure you're the only one in this room?
Yeah, I'm positive.
So I come in the back and ain't nobody else in the room?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm Tiffany.
Tiffany who?
Tiffany Song. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Go ahead and put your shirt on. You good? Where's the keys at to this vehicle right here?
I don't know. I don't have them.
There's not the keys right there on the bed?
I don't see them.
You don't think so?
No, that's not the keys.
Okay. So I'm gonna step back here. There's nobody else in the room, you said? You sure? Stay right here with this officer. Come on out, bro.
Don't shoot.
Come on out. Turn around.
Don't shoot.
Turn around.
What I do, sir?
You didn't do nothing. Who else back there?
Ain't nobody else back there. Man, my baby mama did all this about the car, man. That's her.
Okay, we're good. We're gonna ask questions later, all right? We're just gonna detain you and see what's going on. Go ahead and detain her. Who else back there?
Ain't nobody else back there.
You sure?
Yeah. I can't put my shoes on.
Yeah, just hold tight. We're just gonna get you in the back seat.
I can't wear shoes on.
I'm gonna have you sit right here.
Come on.
No, you good.
Man, my baby mama crazy for that.
All right, have a seat.
We ain't even do nothing wrong.
Have a
Like, my baby mama gave me that goddamn,
So apparently it's a rental car.
yeah, it's a rental car.
You got your ID on you?
I don't have my ID on it.
What's your name?
My name is DeMarlo.
DeMarlo?
Yeah.
Okay, where is that out of Georgia?
Yeah.
Georgia ID? All right, we're gonna get to the bottom of it. Like I said, you're not arrested right now, you're just being detained. So the reason we out here, like I said, the vehicle is stolen, reported stolen. It's a rental car.
But
So I guess the rental car, or whatever pinged the vehicle and said it was here. Came here, checked location, vehicle stolen. So now trying to get to the bottom of it, who's responsible for this vehicle being stolen?
yeah, I mean, my baby mama, it's okay because my baby mama gave us this car to drive. It's not stolen.
Okay.
On everything. It's not stolen. We haven't did nothing. I just fell asleep. She was calling my phone. I fell asleep. You see, I was in here.
So that you borrowed the car?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. She mad just because, like, I do whatever for you. She saying, I do whatever for you. I just want to be with you. Please don't leave me. Please don't do this for us. Please don't, like, just chill. I told her, just chill. You just, you know what I'm saying? Like, just because you done did me wrong, now you want to do me wrong some more?
Right.
I didn't steal that car. I did. I didn't steal none of her stuff.
Okay.
That girl's mine.
Go ahead and put your shoes on. So the thing is right now, even with that, what you got going on with this vehicle, you got warrants out of 3 different agencies. Yeah, Rockdale, the cab, a couple other warrants.
Yeah.
So we gotta see if they're gonna even approve it, okay?
You're gonna prove it.
That's a gun?
That's no, this ain't mine.
It's not yours?
Nah,
Okay.
not my car.
Step over there.
Step over there for me. Grab him. Stay with him. Go ahead and throw him in my back seat. Except for I got another firearm, 69. Be a Taurus. We gotta figure it out. Just hold tight.
Please, sir, don't.
But you gotta see these guns though.
That ain't my gun. That might not my gun.
So who guns are
My
they?
gun was not in my possession. I don't know.
It's in your room.
That's not my gun.
But somebody.
I ain't even know nothing about that gun.
This gun's wrapped in your shirt.
That's my baby mom's gun. She
Okay.
got that gun.
What's your name?
I'm Tiffany.
Tiffany? Okay. So Tiffany, what's your last name? Who? You rented the room out in your name? Who rented the room out?
Well, I had rented the room today, but I had this idea. I think you've seen it.
So
I had just found it.
So you used somebody else's ID?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
bad, right?
Yeah. Another question I got for you, who firearms are those? Those his firearms, his guns? Both of them? What about the other one that was in the drawer? When y'all put the gun in the drawer when I got there and knocked on the door or what?
I guess.
He did?
Yes, he put it in there, but I didn't answer the door. I was
Did you know he had the guns on him? Okay.
Can I get like a cover?
A cover?
You don't have like no blanket or anything?
No, we don't have no blanket. I get you some shoes and stuff, but you definitely gonna get charged for using this ID. Can't use somebody else's ID. Check in the room. Huh?
That'll be about my only thing, right?
For right now. Well, I gotta talk to him to get his side of the story. So he came pick you up in his car, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just hold tight for me.
All right.
She does know that you had those two guns in your possession last night when you got them.
Those two guns wasn't in my possession. Those two guns, I don't even got no, like, I don't even have a gun. They're my baby mama gun.
Okay. Both of them.
No, just that one big gun she got. That's all she got.
So what the other one, black gun, the chrome, the stainless steel on top
I
of it?
don't know where that gun came from.
So just sitting in the room.
I didn't even know that gun was in there.
You didn't know the gun was in there?
No,
Okay.
no.
So what's gonna happen is both of y'all gonna get charged with the weapon, firearm,
Oh my goodness.
in possession. Cause you're a felon, right?
Yes, I'm a felon.
So in possession of a firearm. You already got warrants pending.
I'm saying, what warrants pending, sir?
They'll tell you when you get to the jail. It's out different agencies.
It's
So one out of Rockdale.
Misdemeanors.
Yeah, but this
This right here is a felony. I'm getting charged with the car too?
yeah.
Oh my goodness, man. Y'all gonna ruin my life like that? Y'all trying to leave my kids? I ain't even do
We
nothing.
didn't try to make you leave anything,
Like
sir.
my kids.
She reported the car stolen.
But, like,
Did you have permission to take the car?
yes.
But why she reported stolen then?
Because I'm chilling with the girl. Like, I'm telling you, like, I didn't, bro, I don't know nothing about that other gun. First of all, I don't know nothing about no gun. That one green gun, that's my
So
favorite
that green gun yours and the other gun hers, more than likely.
Basically, like, that one mine. That green gun, not mine. It's my baby mama.
So that other gun's hers. The black gun is hers.
It ain't mine. I didn't bring that in here. I didn't bring that gun in here. I didn't took that gun. I didn't do nothing with that gun.
Okay.
I don't know what that gun came from. I don't know.
Yeah, she got you got checks. Bro. It's some shit. Paulina, there ain't nobody. That ain't him. Nope, it's the Marlo.